What if I told you about a stock that's had a wild ride in the market, offering a unique opportunity for investors? In this video, we're diving into Meta Platforms, NASDAQ Meta, the company behind the metaverse. We'll explore why investing in Meta still makes sense despite its ups and downs. From its volatile stock history to the changing news, we've got it all covered. By the end of this video, you'll see why adding Meta to your investment portfolio is a smart move. Now, let's get into the first reason why Meta stocks are still a fantastic choice this 2023. 1. Volatile stock history. Meta Platforms, NASDAQ Meta, has been on a roller coaster ride in the past year. It surged to a peak of $350 per share in 2022, only to plummet to approximately $88 within the same year. However, the dawn of 2023 brought an astounding 269% increase in its stock price. This roller coaster history offers a unique advantage for investors. During periods of decline, the stock may become undervalued, providing an attractive entry point for those who may have missed previous opportunities. Conversely, the subsequent surges offer opportunities for capitalizing on potential gains. The stock's history of volatility underscores that Meta's potential as an investment is not limited to short-term trading. It also holds promise for long-term investment strategies. 2. Positive news sentiment. The evolving narrative surrounding Meta is of paramount significance. During the company's decline, negative headlines prevailed, especially regarding its investments in the metaverse, which were often deemed problematic. However, as Meta's stock surged toward its all-time high of 384.3, the news sentiment shifted towards optimism. Positive news sentiment can be a powerful driver of stock performance. It not only attracts more investors, but also fosters renewed confidence in the company's future prospects. The shift from negative to positive news sentiment suggests that Meta's stock may be on the verge of a positive transformation. This transformation in sentiment signifies that it's an opportune time for investors to consider Meta stocks, as the company appears to be navigating a path toward potential growth and innovation. 3. Strong fundamentals. One of the standout features of Meta within the technology sector is its robust financial fundamentals. Notably, the company's debt-to-capitalization ratio stands at approximately 21.6%, which is considerably lower than industry norms for tech companies. Additionally, Meta has consistently generated substantial free cash flow, amounting to around $24 billion for the year, all while maintaining a total debt load of approximately $37 billion. These sound financials indicate that Meta possesses a stable balance sheet, which not only provides resilience during market turbulence, but also serves as a strong foundation for future growth initiatives. Investors are naturally drawn to companies with solid fundamentals, as they inspire confidence in long-term sustainability and performance. Therefore, the presence of these strong fundamentals emphasizes that it's not too late for investors to explore Meta as a potential investment option. 4. Share buybacks. Meta's proactive share buyback program is a significant boon for investors. Over the past year, the company repurchased a significant 101 million shares of its own stock. This strategy holds multiple advantages. Firstly, it reduces the overall number of outstanding shares, effectively increasing the ownership stake of existing shareholders. Secondly, it has the potential to enhance earnings per share, EPS, by spreading the company's profits across a reduced share count. This, in turn, can lead to increased shareholder value and, possibly, a boost in the stock price. Share buybacks are a clear indicator of a company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders. This ongoing commitment makes Meta an appealing prospect for investors who are considering entering the market. 5. Return on invested capital, ROIC. Despite recent fluctuations, Meta's historical performance in terms of ROIC is a compelling factor. Historically, its ROIC has typically ranged between 15% and 20%, consistently outperforming industry benchmarks. ROIC is a crucial metric that measures a company's ability to generate returns from the capital invested in its operations. While recent investments in the metaverse may have temporarily lowered the ROIC to 14%, this figure remains significantly above industry standards. The sustained high ROIC reflects Meta's efficient capital allocation and underscores the company's capacity to create value for its shareholders. Despite recent challenges and changes in strategic direction, Meta's historical ROIC suggests that it is well equipped to capitalize on growth opportunities and generate strong returns for investors in the long run. Now, before we dive deeper into these insights, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you're finding this information valuable, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. So, without further ado, let's continue and explore the next reason why it's not too late to invest in Meta. 6. Diversified portfolio. Building a diversified portfolio is a fundamental strategy for mitigating risk and enhancing potential returns. Meta's presence in various segments of the digital landscape, including social media, virtual reality, and e-commerce, makes it a valuable addition to a diversified investment portfolio. Even if you haven't already invested in Meta, adding its stocks can contribute to diversifying your holdings and reducing reliance on a single sector or industry. The diversity of Meta's offerings and its potential for growth in multiple areas make it a strategic choice for investors looking to broaden their portfolios. 7. Digital advertising growth. The digital advertising industry continues to expand rapidly, driven by the increasing shift of advertising budgets from traditional media to online platforms. Meta, with its significant presence in the digital advertising space, is well positioned to benefit from this trend. Despite challenges and controversies, the company's advertising revenue continues to grow, highlighting its resilience in the face of changing market dynamics. As businesses seek effective digital advertising solutions, Meta's platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, remain attractive options. Therefore, it's not too late to invest in Meta stocks and tap into the potential of the digital advertising boom. 8. Expansion into the metaverse. Meta's bold move into the metaverse, despite initial skepticism, opens up exciting possibilities. While the metaverse is still in its early stages and profitability remains a question, Meta's commitment to investing in this space suggests a long-term vision. By considering Meta stocks now, investors can potentially ride the wave of metaverse development and innovation. If Meta's metaverse initiatives succeed, early investors may reap significant rewards. Thus, it's not too late to explore Meta stocks and participate in the evolving metaverse landscape. 9. Earnings growth potential. Analyst projections for Meta's earnings per share, EPS, indicate strong growth potential. Despite recent challenges and shifts in the company's focus, analysts anticipate a substantial EPS jump of 26.7% in the coming year. EPS growth often correlates with stock price appreciation, making it an attractive prospect for investors. If Meta can deliver on these growth expectations, investing in its stocks now could lead to significant returns. This potential for earnings growth underscores that it's not too late to consider Meta as part of your investment strategy. 10. Long-term strategic shift. Meta's recent strategic shift towards focusing on areas like Threads and Instagram WhatsApp monetization indicates adaptability and a commitment to evolving with changing market dynamics. This shift may position Meta to capitalize on emerging opportunities and diversify revenue streams. If successful, these endeavors could drive stock price growth. By considering Meta stocks, investors have the opportunity to be part of this strategic transformation and potentially benefit from its long-term outcomes. Therefore, it's not too late to explore Meta stocks as an investment choice. As we wrap up this video about Meta stocks, we hope you've learned why investing in Meta platforms, Nasdaq Meta, is a smart choice. We value your time and attention. Before we finish, please remember to click the like button if you found this video helpful. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more informative updates. Your support keeps us going. Now, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Are you thinking about investing in Meta stocks after watching this video? Your feedback matters and it helps us create more content that you find useful. Stay informed, make wise investment decisions, and until next time, take care.